Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into what happens when you completely eliminate sugar from your diet for just 14 days. I'm not talking about cutting back. I mean zero added sugar, zero hidden sugars, and drastically reducing high-carb foods. What does your body do? Let's find out. 1. Facial slimming and belly fat reduction. The first thing you'll notice? Your face. Yep, your face actually gets slimmer. That bloated, puffy look fades fast as inflammation drops and your body starts letting go of stored water. And that stubborn belly fat? It starts to melt away. Why? Because without sugar, your body has to switch to fat for fuel. Sugar and fat are the only two main energy sources, and when sugar's gone, your fat reserves become the go-to. 2. Your liver starts dumping fat. When you cut out sugar, the liver kicks into gear, releasing stored fat instead of packing more on. Most people don't realize their liver is the first place fat gets stored from excess sugar, and the first place it starts to leave once you stop. 3. Eyes, kidneys, and arteries heal. Your organs love this sugar-free life. Vision gets clearer, especially if you've had blurry eyes or sensitivity to light. That's because sugar wrecks the tiny nerves in your retina. Your kidneys also get a break. No more sugar rusting your filtration system. And your arteries? Less sugar means less inflammation, less plaque, and better blood flow. Yep, cutting sugar can literally reduce your risk of stroke and heart disease. 4. Your brain and mood improve. This one's big. Your memory, focus, and mood improve a lot. Sugar triggers wild energy swings and brain fog. Fat fuel, on the other hand, is steady and powerful. When your brain isn't crashing all day, your mood becomes more stable and the fog clears. People even report feeling happier and more mentally sharp within days. 5. No more late-night bathroom trips, getting up 3 to 5 times a night to pee? That could be sugar. Sugar pulls water into your bloodstream and your kidneys work overtime to flush it out. Cut the sugar and you'll finally sleep through the night, undisturbed. 6. Cravings. Disappear. Crazy sweet cravings? Constant snacking? Those go away. Why? When you burn fat for fuel, your body stays full between meals. No blood sugar dips, no snack attacks. After just 3 days of no sugar, your cravings start to vanish. And no, it's not as hard as you think. 7. Real fat loss begins. We're talking real fat, not just water weight. Sure, you'll drop a few pounds fast from losing retained water. Stored sugar equals stored water. But then your body starts torching actual body fat. Even thin people are carrying around 100,000 plus calories of stored fat. It's time to start tapping into it. 8. Skin clears up. Acne, redness, or puffy skin. Sugar may be the culprit. Once the inflammation goes down, your skin clears up fast. People say their faces look tighter, less swollen, and more vibrant just days into quitting sugar. 9. Fix insulin resistance. This is huge. Giving up sugar resets your insulin response. Insulin resistance is at the root of most modern health problems: fatty liver, high blood pressure, fatigue, even certain cancers. By ditching sugar, your cells start responding to insulin again. That means better nutrient absorption, a faster metabolism, and finally, breaking through that weight loss plateau. So, should you quit sugar? Honestly, you have nothing to lose but bloat, brain fog, cravings, and fat. Try it for 2 weeks and tell me how you feel. Your body will thank you in more ways than one. Comment below if you're going to give it a try, or if you already have and want to share your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.